Alright, I got a full fuel tank in the back. No fuel, no start. Solenoid. Not working. But the carburetor plunger is clicking. So, what do I have to do? Turn the key all the way to the right, get a little jar of fuel and disconnect the hose, run it into your jar. Let's check if the fuel pump is working. Up. All right, let's crank it up and see. Only got two hands, guys. Let's see if this is pumping. Nothing. So the diagnosis is a bad fuel pump. Check us out. Watch the channel. You might learn something, hopefully. And we'll catch you guys soon.